Umbuso wakubeka kwacaca ukuthi awuzimisele ukubiza umculi uKelly Khumalo ukuthi azokwethula ubufakazi kuleli cala. Abameli bafune ukwazi ukuthi ingabe umphenyi useke waphenya yini ukuthi uKelly Khumalo kwakungaba yini isizathu sakhe sokubulala uMeyiwa. UGininda uthi bebengakaliphothuli uphenyo.
Why would Miss Kelly Khumalo want the deceased to be killed? Have you investigated that?
My Lord, I think I dealt with this question as well, and I indicated that it was still under investigation, and I even said the inference that one can see it's in relation to the conversation between the two sisters. But that part, insofar as the motive is concerned, my Lord, I testified about this because I was asked, and I said it's still under investigation, the motive.
UGininda uthi waqala ukuba umphenyi wecala ngo-2018, ummeli ukhale ngesikhathi esichithiwe kuphenywa leli cala.
It's been 10 years, Brigadier, that the deceased passed on. You are still investigating.
I don't understand.
You are in 2024.
Yeah, but I don't understand.
I mean, the motive, you are still investigating in 2024, incident of 2014. That is my question to you.
My Lord, I think even that is not put in its proper context.
How many more years, Brigadier, is it going to take you to get this motive? How many more years?
I really don't think it's necessary to dwell on these aspects.
Icala lizoqhubeka kusasa.